also want to learn this apostille business, right? That could be a business in and of itself. Now, you don't have to be a notary to do apostille work. You do not have to be a notary. However, I say you need to be in order to know how to do it correctly. Because one time I had a job and another notary did the notarization and it expired. Their notarization expired. But see, they didn't know about apostilles. So it wasn't expired when they stamped it, but it was expiring in 3 days. The client was using it in another country, right? Single person affidavit because they were getting married in another country. So I say all that to say, that's why I think you should be a notary. Everything starts with notarizing like a pro. Everything in your business starts with notarizing like a pro. If you don't know how to notarize, and I would have sent that document in for apostille, they would have put the apostille on there, but it would have been invalid for my client. He wasn't getting married in 3 days. He wasn't even going to that country in 3 days. So you got to check your dates on your documents, right? You got to check your notarization dates. You got to check. It's a lot of stuff you got to check. Now, it's not complicated, but when you know, you know. And that's why we have the Notary Educated Business Success Mentor Program. So you can know. So you can know. Any other questions you guys have for me? Any other questions? What are we talking about today? And if we don't have anything, it's okay, because we've been live every day this week. So you really may not have any more questions, and that's cool. Just waiting to sign up. Just waiting to sign up. Get you a mentorship. So I'm going to put this on here, on this thumbnail, because I forgot I am making $200 on here. Yep, $200. So you can too. You just got to know, again, what to do. You cannot get out here and fake it until you make it. I know we say that on a lot of stuff. Just fake it till you make it. Fake it till you make it. But no, we're not faking it till we make it on these people documents. We are not faking it until we make it on these people's documents. I'm sorry. That is one that I'm not going to tell you to fake it till you make it. You can fake it till you make it with your business skills. You can fake it till you make it, you know, some of your customer service, if you're not good at talking to people. But we are not faking it till we make it with these people documents. Nope, nope, and no. We got to know what we're doing. So that's why, for me, I say you need to be a notary in order to do apostilles. Because you got to know, that's the whole part of doing apostilles, is the notarization. And if that part is not right, you got a problem. You have a real problem. Again, I'll give you guys a few more minutes because I see we have some people just hopped on to see if you have any additional questions. And if not, I'm going to move on because I do have other things I need to do today. In the process of filming some of my courses for my new program, which is called Creators Club with Kimmi. Check it out. You can check out the YouTube channel right now. It is up. It was called Business Life with Kimmi, and now it's going to be, it has already changed to Creators Club with Kimmi. So I'm in the process of putting the, sorry, y'all, I'm trying to type. Getting the courses ready, the mentorship ready, and everything ready. So, and that's for my people who really want to walk in this digital space. If you have any idea, we're going to help you develop the idea, help you execute the idea. A lot of people have ideas, but they don't know how to execute. They don't know how to write a business plan. They don't know how to do an ebook, how to do courses. And you can find all that information on YouTube. You can find it. However, it's nothing like somebody walking you through the whole process. I've been there, I've done it, so pretty good at it. I love business, so I got you covered. We have a couple more people that just joined, and we are going to wrap up in about 3 minutes, a hard stop if we don't have any questions. What we got? Nothing? Got 2 seconds. We got 2 minutes, literally, and we're going to wrap it up. We're going to wrap it up. It's Friday, everybody out there spending the money. So anyway, check out mentorship. You got the $27 option or the $47 option. We meet every single week. You can catch the replays. And that's all I got for you today. I wanted to share those few tips with you, okay? Thank you, everyone, for hanging out. If you do Until later, I'll see you over either in chat. Deanna says, do you teach apostilles? Yes, that's what this whole video was about today. I don't know if you're just joining us, Deanna, but yeah, I was talking about how this particular client, this is what this was here at Apostille. It's going to be, this letter had to be written, it has to be notarized, and then apostille. So yes, I do teach apostilles, and there is a course. Oh, you just joined? Yeah, go back and catch the beginning, girl. Yes, but I do teach apostilles. It's included in the mentorship program, or you can buy the course separately. Separately, use coupon code WIN2025, and it's included in the all-inclusive plan. So really quick though, Deanna, for apostilles, I'm not sure what state you're located in, but I really recommend being a notary, because like I was saying earlier, when I did an apostille, this is the number one reason why, is because the notary that stamped it did not do apostilles. If they actually were expert in doing apostilles, or even did them, they would have told their client, hey, I cannot, Illinois, okay, we got Illinois in the group too. Yeah, I cannot notarize your document because my notary stamp is expiring, right? But the person that did the notarization did not do apostilles. And all notaries don't, the majority don't, because they don't know how to do it. So you're leaving money on the table, okay? If you don't learn how to do apostilles. You can do them a lot, or you can do them a little. There are notaries that do, that's all they do. That's all they do. Now, that's not all I do. If I wanted it to be all I do, I could, but I really like quick money. And when I say quick money, I love general notary work. Me and Apostille had a love-hate relationship until 23. In 23, I was like, doggone it, I'm gonna learn this, okay? And I did, and I'm so happy. And I'm still learning. Apostilles is not something you're gonna learn all in one day. It's not. But I know enough to go get $200 for this one piece of paper. And this show you how to do it. Because some of them are just going to be tricky. You got Hague countries, non-Hague. You know, can they take a copy? Can they not? I mean, that's why I say I have a love-hate relationship. Because I love the money. But again, the apostille work, sometimes I'm like, this shirt, guys, I'm kind of like, I like this shirt, but I'm like, do the roses look kind of grandma? But this shirt is so cute, though. I just love it. Okay, that's not what we're talking about. Okay, Rosalind in North Carolina, what's up? What's up? Are you doing apostilles? Are you doing apostilles? Let me know. Let me know. Let me know. Let me know. I do have quite a few videos here on the channel too. But if you want like an all-inclusive, just like, let's get to it, let's learn this apostille, check out the course, okay? Because I do have quite a few videos here on the channel. So y'all know I ain't just trying to sell you everything. But you do need the course probably, if you want to do it like a pro. Because everything we do around here, we do it like a what? Like a pro. Rosalind says, hello, no, I'm a notary and would love to do it. Help. All right, Rosalind. Well, first I'll tell you to go back and rewatch this, because I gave a lot of tips about apostilles in the beginning of this video. But yeah, so you just really need to be a great notary first. You really do. You need to be a great notary. If you don't know how to properly notarize, then you need to start there. Notarize like a pro. Once you learn how to properly notarize documents, then you can start offering apostille service. Because again, like I was saying, the apostille, everything around it is really about the notarization. If the notarization is incorrect, like for example, I can show you the bottom part of this. I gotta go back and add something to this because I didn't put a signature line on here. But for example, right here, if I don't put the right signature, even the right signature on this document, when I do sign it, I sign my name Kimberly Y. Nunnally. If I just put K.Y. Nunnally, it's going to be rejected. Okay? You've been doing a loan signing since 2020. Oh, cool. So you got a little skill under your belt. That's great, Rosalind. So just add Apostille Services. If you know how to properly notarize, now just because you've been doing it, don't know that, you know, that you're doing it properly. But if you've been doing it for 2020, I think you do, okay? I think you do. So congratulations. Shout out to you. You're a long timer, 5 years. That's great. That is really great. So if I don't sign this correctly, it's going to be rejected. Okay. If I don't put the right expiration date, it's going to be rejected. And don't forget, we don't want to get it rejected locally or in the other country. Remember my illustration earlier? That wasn't an illustration that actually happened. So the notary stamp expired, what is this, October? Say the notary stamp expired in August, right? And now September, they're trying to use a document across the country, across the seas or wherever. It's not valid. It's not valid. So you got to know what you need to know in order to get the money and ask, you know, because I'm charging her $200. You don't think this document better be right? She's not going to take, oh, well, I just started, you know, I thought I knew what I was doing. I'm sorry, I can redo it. No, these people are trying to get married. They're trying to buy property. They're trying to sell property in another part of the world. And you can't, there's not a lot of room to say, I'm sorry. You know, there's not a lot of room. Oh, I'm so sorry, I messed up. Oh, I didn't know. They're going to be looking at you like, wait a minute, I paid you $300 and $200 and you what? No, when you start saying hundreds of dollars for some people, expecting you to be a pro. Okay? Expert. So, yeah. We are not just faking until we make it. So if you need some additional training with the apostilles, it would be our pleasure to assist you in one of two ways. One of two. Self-paced, the course. Okay, coupon code is WIN2025 at notaryeducators.com, or it's included in our all-inclusive package. Okay, and that also comes with the mentorship helpline, basically, and that's 7 days a week. And the community is helping each other. I get in there if we need to answer like some questions. If you have an actual assignment, I will help with other things too, of course, but it's really a community and they're helping each other. Okay. It's really a community. So I will get in there and try to help you with your assignment because I want to make sure your assignment is going correctly. I have somebody doing their first signing today too. Let me see. Is anybody out here in the chat can tell me? I think Jasmine's just saying good morning. Okay. I think she's just saying good morning because I have somebody doing their first signing. And I was like, well, do I not do my live waiting on them? I was like, nah, I still got to do what I have to do. So somebody will help them or I'll help them when I finish. How much is your course to learn the apostille? You have one of two ways. You can buy this. The self-paced course is $77 or it's included in the mentorship at $47 per month. Yep. Either way you want to get it. Yep. Either way. So what I always recommend is take your time. It's not a hurry to buy nothing. Look at notaryeducators.com. Play around with the descriptions because what you see is what you get. It's not any fluff. Okay? It's not anything fake. We've been doing this a long time. So you can read the description. If I say it's included in there, it's actually there. Okay? So I am going to get ready to get out of here. And I do need to get ready to make a phone call about my website too, because this should be working. And it's not. So I need to call them. Always something, guys. Well, I'm going to get out of here because I do have a lot to do for real. So anyway, on behalf of Notary Educators, please check out our website at notaryeducators.com. All things notary, we got you covered A to Z. We're going to notarize like a what, people? Like a what? Like a what? Like a what? Like a what? Like a pro. Okay, until next time, you're welcome, Rosalind. Thank you, everybody, for joining me today. I'll see y'all soon. Bye.